Hey everyone, today in Benidorm I'm gonna be heading towards the Brunch Box, then a bit through the strip, and then I'm gonna end up at the Pueblo Hotel where the renovation probably has been finished. I'm gonna see how that looks like. First up, we've got the Four Kings on the Mediterráneo. It's all covered up. It's 16 degrees around here. Quite a mix of clear skies and some clouds, but it's dry. Rain is forecasted for tonight around 8 p.m. That is going to be it. And probably only Tuesday will be a day filled with rain over here in Benidorm, and the rest is going to be quite okay. First up, the Brunch Box. This place was going to be opening the 9th of March again, but the signs of opening has been removed. Still a construction zone. No one at work currently. And if you look inside, I hope it's a bit visible. All the boxes of furniture are inside now, probably nothing to say. But all the boxes of furniture are inside, and they've still got quite some work to do, so I think it is delayed. At least this is not something you're going to be open with tomorrow. Hopefully in the upcoming week this will be done. Let's head towards the strip. While we're heading towards the strip, most of the bars are open and everything again. Please don't forget, hit that like, really does help, and do subscribe if you're new to the channel. Starting over here with the Waikiki. Music playing, bars back open, chairs are in. Cheers guys! So a bit of a mix with sun here and there. Quite some crowds. It is really decently busy in Benidorm these days. Insomnia is all open again. New bar they have out here on the outside of the terrace. This bar is still closed. Well, weather is still kind of a mix, so do understand why they're keeping it shut for now. It's only an outdoor terrace.
It's not quite.
Might need to
We got on before, didn't we?
Got jokers up here, nothing going on. Still empty. No work being done or anything. Quite some folks down there at the pool. We did have the Pueblo market today, continued as usual. It's around 2 p.m. right now, so it has been closed. Many folks are leaving, as you can see, all those fans. Those are all coming from the market. All the stalls are packed in. But yeah, the Pueblo Hotel, this one has been closed. They did a complete renovation of the outside area up here. Let's see how far we can get in to show you guys what has been happening right up here. Completely new terrace outside. I've never been into this hotel, so I'm curious to see how it looks like and how far we can get, hopefully towards the pool as well. Let's go. I think up inside here, nothing going on. As far as it looks like, mainly resurfacing. I think new tiles here and there. It looks mostly like the pictures that are online already. The indoor pool. Didn't know they had one here. Kind of a surprise for me. Looks nice, no one in there. Small play splash area for the kids. Very handy in those hot summers we have in Benidorm. I think it was mainly resurfacing. If you look at this, this is really old. I believe it was all those bright colors. It was around the original big pool. I think that is what they did. Please let me know in the comments below if you have ever stayed here and what has changed. I never went in this hotel, never stayed there. Looks nice, really nice, especially this bit of a garden up here. So I believe this is how it originally was. All bright colors around. And it looks very busy like this with those colors. This at their pool, at their main big pool they have right up here, looks much better. Much more modern. Don't know if they did anything about the rooms. Small patio building to sit at least covered in those hot summers. Really nice, and I think the main thing that has changed is the entrance area right up here. At least they kept the fountain. Really love that detail. I was just waiting until spring comes around the corner and it will be all green again around. Leaves on the trees. Looks so much better then. At least the flowers are already in place. Hope you guys enjoyed this relative short update of Benidorm from today. Nice to see the Pueblo Hotel once inside. Really looks a bit much nicer. The outside, like they have resurfaced this right now. If you think this as well, let me know in the comments if you ever stayed here and what has more changed. For me it's hard to say, I've never stayed here, so yeah. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. And right now I'm heading towards Uncle Pat's, but I filmed that already yesterday. Want to see that video? Click right up here.